Welcome to my 5-minute yoga a day. Today we're going to be focusing on yoga for the lower core. So start to inhale and exhale deeply, drawing up deep within the abdomen. And then start to take over the right arm, relaxing it over the neck, and then sweep it round and take over the left arm. And root the sit bones down together on the floor. Raise the arms up, inhale, exhale, push towards the sky. Take the hands behind the back and just open up the chest, lifting the sternum. Take the legs out in front of you, lie back down in a supine position. And just take a moment to get comfortable. Inhale, float the arms up over the head. Activate the feet by pushing the toes towards the face. Float the arms back down, bring the knees to the chest. Inhale, float the arms up. And then join together. And take out one leg at a time as we come into our yogic sit-ups, or our yoga sit-ups. This is great for working the deep core muscles, the transverse abdominus. Inhale and exhale out. And just come into Upper Asana, knees to chest pose, and just rock the hips from side to side. Take the legs up into the air, activate the feet, and just take the hands behind the knees. And then again, coming into our Spinae mudra, just reach towards the toes. So each time that you come up, you're wanting to be pushing those fingers towards the toes as high as you can. And then hold, breathing deeply. Exhale, release, and come back to knees to chest pose. Rock yourself back up to sitting on the sit bones. And we're coming into our boat pose now. So from here in our boat pose, we're going to be flexing from the knee upwards and downwards, keeping our hands nice and straight, our fingers spread, really pulling in the core, and then float the hands up and come into a forward fold. Relax the neck down, take a breath. Float the arms back overhead and come back down into a lying down position. As we start to go into our scissors, again, this is fantastic for the core muscles, the lower core, the middle core, and the most superficial muscle, the rectus abdominis. So keep breathing deeply, drawing the knees to the chest. Give yourself one last final hug, rock back up to sitting, and just do a few mindful half neck rolls. And then finish your practice with a few deep breaths. Thank you very much for watching today. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. Thank you.